So we're here with the new Zhiyun Smooth Q2. This is the smallest phone gimbal on the market from Zhiyun, and this has a lot of great premium features. This is an aluminum alloy build, so it's much stronger than a lot of the plastic ones. This has a nice silicone rubber grip on it, and also the great thing about this is finally a smartphone gimbal that can be with like a replaceable battery. So this battery goes for 16 hours. If you don't find it enough, you can of course buy an extra battery. But yeah, this is a really great thing for if you travel a lot and you don't have time to recharge your gimbal. That is a great thing. So here we have like a small clamp. You can quickly here put a phone on here. And also the great thing is we don't really need to balance it. Let's actually put it correctly. So we don't really have to balance it, we just turn it on. The motors are quite strong, so it can actually hold it very well. So what you can also see directly here, we have all the modes already visible. So to go through the modes, we press once to go to the right to change one of the mode, and to go back we double press. So it makes it much easier to go to the modes. You don't need to remember like 2 press, 3 press, 4 press to go to a certain mode and then look at the blinking light and guess what mode it is. So another great thing is if we use Bluetooth, we can directly control the camera, the standard basic camera, with just the record button. So you don't need to purposely use the ZY Play app, and you can just use our normal camera app, or even use Filmic Pro or other camera apps that is on the app stores. Yeah, it basically has all the professional modes that you can find on the bigger gimbals. So we have now the lock mode, we have full follow, we have also the POV, and even the Vortex mode. So we can do like the 360 roll with this. Let's turn this. So all those modes are available on here. And then also for certain cameras that has maybe like a super wide angle, or you want to add a lens that has a super wide angle, there's also a special wide angle mode. So we press the record button 3 times and it should go into that mode. Let's see. So what it does, it actually changed the angle slightly so it would avoid this back motor. So, well, that's not. So, basically, so for that, basically it goes into an angle to avoid this back motor, and to go back. And also we have a portrait mode. However, that's only to do it like this. Yeah. Let's go to pen follow. So just do it like this. So now we have portrait mode to film yourself with, or to film in portrait mode in general. Overall, what we also have is selfie mode. We press the power button 3 times and goes to using the back camera. And joystick we still have on here, so we can control it just with the joystick. And those were most of the modes. And one of the great feature, and a lot of the other smartphone gimbals can't do, is just directly stand on its own. You don't need to have a tripod. It makes it much smaller, and you don't need to carry a tripod or fold a tripod or unfold a tripod. So this makes it much easier, and also much less you need to carry. And yeah, just a nice, simple, easy way to put your gimbal on the table if you need to. And just to show you that it's really pocketable, turn it off, move the phone, can make this smaller, And I'll just put it in my back pocket. As keys, but
they use the same communication
back pocket. Actually, I'll put it in more proper. So it's pocketable, nice for traveling, not using that much space, and yeah, it's a good gimbal that can last you for a long time.